So I'm home for the weekend, so I thought it might be a good idea to check up on my cars. First order of business will be grabbing a battery here, so I can see if that thing will start. With the battery connected, I just need to take that off of there, and now I can check if this thing will actually do what I need it to do. It wants to. Ah. As you could probably deduce by how long it took me to start this thing, I'm rather inexperienced. I've never bridged a starter like that before in my life, so yeah. But finally, when I got it started, I figured it might be a good idea to check the coolant levels, and yeah, turns out there was none. I think I'd call that a success. But yeah, let me go put the battery away and then move on to the next, which I think is going to be a little bit less fun. Hey buddy. Huh? Hey buddy. You've hurt yourself while I've been gone, huh? What did you do to yourself? You guys can't really see it from this angle, but he's got a big old gaff right here in his shoulder. Something must have fell on him. Shame, man. Can't forget to cover that up. Now, I might have already found an event where I can thrash this thing, but I first need a throttle cable that will work with the 36 DCD Weber conversion that I did. Because obviously this original cable is now useless. Still need to figure out where I can find it and what I can do to make it work. Also need a distance piece. I've bought that. First need to go buy longer Allen head screws, well, bolts, so I can put it in, and then that should be good. Then all I need is a throttle cable, and this thing should be drivable again. Also, another thing I got to sort out is it seems there might be some sort of a voltage drop in between the starter and the ignition switch, because as you saw, I had to bridge the starter also rip to this screwdriver. So that's another thing I got to get sorted, but I'd say that's a problem for a later date. Yeah, I've got some work to do. Now, those of you that recall from watching my previous video, I mentioned that I was having troubles with my starter. And, well, it's dead. Which in and of itself is less than ideal, but even more so on a 1UZ. So yeah, I better get started because all this stuff needs to come off. I don't know why, but for some reason I'm really battling to get this plug off of the TPS, and I do not know why. Yeah, I can explain. This is not my first time removing this plenum, and the first time I did it, I could not find the plenum gasket, so I had to use Rhinzosil. So obviously this thing is stuck on there pretty good, so I had to make this rinky-dink plan of mine. Now, as far as I understand, I've removed everything connecting either the Hilux to the manifold or the engine to the manifold. So, I just got to loosen the bolts securing it to the engine, and it should just pop off, if all goes well. Okay, moment of truth. Have I or have I not missed anything? Ah, I have missed something. Take two, I guess. So this is interesting. Have you guys ever encountered anything like that? What the hell? What? With all that sort of cleaned up, I can finally get the starter out. And as you can see from those bolts, there might be a problem. It's a common problem with these 1UZs where in certain platforms, you actually have to remove the engine to remove the starter. So I guess we'll see how lucky I am or am not. Okay, it seems that water pipe, waterway, water bridge, whatever you call it, it's in the way. So I gotta drain the antifreeze again, and probably gonna have to suck it out with the shop vac, and then I should be able to take that off without worrying about getting coolant into my cylinders. Look at all that shit that's fallen in there over the years. Now I just gotta cover all of this up and put everything away before this rain becomes too much of a nuisance. Okay, now I've had worse, but these are quite a lot of space, so before I do anything else, I gotta tag and bag all of the nuts, bolts and smaller spares, etc. Yeah, Yeah, not the best, but it will do since I'm only going to be storing these for about a week or two. Like 2 weeks max. Now I just need to go put all of this stuff away in a safe spot. Yeah, that'll have to do. So to end this video off, that thing should be up and running again very soon. Once that's running again, work will be resuming on that. And I'll sort this thing out eventually, I don't know. But it'll get done in time. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys did not enjoy in this video. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. And I'll see you guys in the next one.